3 apps that will give you $500 for free. These apps have never been shared with anyone before, but it can pay you $500 for free or more. Many guys have been cashing out from these apps, and that's the reason why I want to share it with you so that you too can tap from this gold mine. These apps are available on both iOS and Android, and it's free to install. In this video, I would first of all show you 2 different apps, and these apps are going to pay you to install them, so you know you can maximize your results and make as much money as possible. So the first 2 apps will give you passive income for free because, as I said, you just need to install them. I'm going to show you these 2 apps, and then I'm going to show you the third app that I've never talked about before. This app is going to pay you $500 for free. Before we go to the website, you need to create a PayPal account for free, and that's very easy. Simply visit paypal.com and create an account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the required details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want the PayPal option, you can set up your bank account online by searching on Google and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. After creating a PayPal account, let's get started right away so I can explain everything. The first 2 apps will pay you to do nothing, you just need to install them. And as I've said, we've never talked about this app before, so it's going to be a super amazing video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. The first app that we're going to be using is moneysmsapp.com. This is the official website, but obviously we will just install this app directly onto a smartphone device, and basically this is a free app which will allow you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS-generated messages by the system and customers. You just need to install this on your smartphone, create an account, and it's going to send you some random messages. And you don't have to reply to those messages because they have no meaning, but you will still get paid for each and every SMS that you receive. Just sign up to this app and that's all you have to do. In every single day, they are going to send you new text messages, and you're going to get paid for each message, as I said. Basically, you can come right here, read more about how it works, but this one works only for Android. Keep watching, because the next apps are going to work for both iOS and Android. But this one, yes, this one works only for Android, so if you don't have an Android device, then I'm sorry, but you won't be able to make any money with Money SMS app. Their application is exclusive to Android because only Android do read SMS app. You just need to install this app and get paid by their money-making app for receiving text messages. And this is how many persons secure their app, and it does not read any of your data, your private messages, or use any other data. They only read their own SMS, so they will not steal and they would not read your messages or private messages or whatever, and it's secure. I've carried out a lot of research on this app, and people are just loving the amount of money they're making with the app, and they're loving how the system works because, as you can see, it's automatic. You earn money with the app passively, without any active actions required from your side, and they also have a nice referral program where you can earn 30% from your referral earnings. So if you refer a friend to this app and then they sign up, once they start making money, let's say $100, you will get $30 for absolutely free, completely passively for life. You're going to be earning passive income from them, so yes, there is definitely a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app. And this is free, no payment whatsoever, as it will stay free forever and you can learn more about how it works. So basically just sign up and receive automatic text messages and get paid for doing that. These are some screenshots of how it looks inside the dashboard and how it looks on the app. I want you to install the app. This is how it's going to look like. This is the referral code that you can share with your friends and family. You can also share it on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Share it with some Facebook groups about making money online. Just tell them that they can make passive income from that app, and then just send your referral link and you can still make some passive income from your referrals. That's a nice thing about this app, and this is a legit online money-making opportunity. At Money SMS, they take all the necessary matters to ensure that they comply with the latest GDP or privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website right here. You can read more about them on this website. You can see that people are receiving money from this website, and like I said earlier, I've done a lot of research and this website works. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now the next app that you can use to make some free passive income is called cashmagnetapp.com. Obviously, the app name is just Cash Magnet, and you will install it on your Android phone. Again, this works for Android only, but keep watching because the last app is going to be available for both iOS and Android, and I'm going to give you something for free at the end, so make sure you watch this video until the end. This app pays for every minute of that time when you do nothing, so as you can see, you don't need to do anything. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs. So this one is going to pay you way more than the Money SMS app. So we're kind of going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app. You can read more about it. You don't need to do anything, so watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You can be sleeping, you can be doing something else, you could be eating or drinking, you could be reading news or whatever. You do regularly, just do that every single day and you will still get paid for just installing this app. This is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income when you're not using your phone. So you can just leave your phone out there and you just have the app installed on your phone and you will be making passive income. Like I said earlier, you don't have to do anything. And if you don't want to install this on your main phone, maybe for whatever reason that you don't want to install it, then you can use another device to earn passive income. Now, right before I give you the last app, the main app that will pay over $500, and right before I fulfill my promise, if you have any questions or you simply need some help, feel free to leave a comment down below because I will be reading the comments and I will try to reply as soon as possible or as soon as I see that comment. This is the app that we will be using right here. I would give you the app name in a second, but yes, this one is going to pay you $500 so you can earn up to $500 just by listening to music. So all you have to do is install this app on either iOS or Android. This is available for both App Store and Google Play Store, so both users are satisfied, so that's great. There will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or it only works for iOS. This one works for both sides and you're going to get paid just by listening to music. That's all you have to do. Install the app, listen to music, earn more points, and then the more you play, the more music you listen to, the more money you're going to make. So basically in your free time, you're getting paid just to listen to music. So search and play for more than 100,000 radio stations so you can find your favorite music and listen to your favorite music, and you're going to get paid for doing that. The name of the app is Current.us. This is the website name, Current.us, and this is the logo. It should look something like this. Search for the Current app on your Apple Store or the Google Play Store, locate the app, and install it on your smartphone. Do you want to learn how you can make $500 by copy-pasting on Amazon Kindle? Click here!